This is a 2005 Volvo S60R. It features a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, performance tires, 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.